Yes, sir. Good morning, children. Today I'll continue the our Karnataka chapter, the Belgavi division. So, in here in Belgavi division, 7 districts. First, the 4 districts of this division were in Bombay till 1956. Till 1956, the 4 divisions, 4 districts. The Dharwad district of this division was divided in 1997 from Haveri and Gadar, and Vijaypura district was divided into the Bagalkot district. Dharwad district is divided into Haveri and Gadag, and Vijaypur is divided as Vijaypur and Bagalkot. And total 7 districts. Total 7 districts, including 7 districts, it has made as a Belgavi division. The districts are first one Belgavi, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadar, Vijaypur, Bagalkot, and last one is Uttar Kannada. Belgavi, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadar, Vijaypura, Bagalkot, and Uttar Kannada. These are the 7 districts in this Belgavi division. So, children, remember the 7 districts, and this Belgavi division has very important history. It has a very important history. Here the Mauryas and Shatavahanas ruled this division. At that time the Banavasi of this division was capital of Kadambas. The Kannadigas, first Emperor Kadambas ruling time, they made the Banavasi as a capital city. And one more thing, the important Badami was the capital of Chalukyas. That's why they are called as Badami Chalukyas. So the world famous temples are here in Pattadakallur, Badami, Aivale. The beautiful temples are there. The sculpture, the architecture, what that time the architecture was there. They have proved the architecture of Indian architecture. The beautiful temples are there in Pattadakallur, Aivale, Badami. Badami caves have the idols. So Badami cave has wonderful idols. And Baswan Bagewadi, birthplace of Baswana, and Kudal Sangama. These were the important tourist place and Vachana movement in this division. And the districts of Belgavi division have played the prominent role in the Indian freedom struggle. Freedom movement belongs to this division. Some people have struggled. Importance are, you might have know the name Rani Chennamma, Kitturu Rani Chennamma, and she fought against the British in the year 1824 Common Era. And his follower Sangoli Rayana, he also struggled, and he is also unforgettable person. And very important, the National Convention of Indian National Congress was held at Belgavi under the presidency of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, under his presidency, he did the one meeting, that is the National Convention of Indian National Congress, that was held in Belgavi. That's why this Belgavi has a good history. So, and tax deedial movement took place in Uttara Kannada district. These were the important histories of this division. And this district of this division, the districts of this division were part of Bombay state. They were integrated into the Karnataka during year 1956. Remember, 1956 it carries one mass. The districts of this division were merged in the year Karnataka from Bombay here in 1956. In the beginning there were only 4 districts. With the creation of new district, by dividing these 4 districts come to the 7 districts. Switzerland, this division has very natural resources. Good natural resources. Good means very rich in natural resources in this division. So what are the natural resources? The rivers, dams, mines. Yes. Here the important rivers are like this. Krishna River for irrigation, the Bijapur Bagalkot district, and here another Gulbarga district also it gives the water. So Almaty Dam is there and Arakud Dam is there. So Krishna, Malaprabha, Ghataprabha, Bhima, Kali and Tungabhadra are the major rivers. Krishna, Malaprabha, Ghataprabha, Bhima, Kali and Tungabhadra are the major rivers of this Belagavi division. And here the dense forest is there, rivers, dense forest, mineral deposit, fertile soil and power generation units are here in this division. That's why this is the rich in the natural resources. So children, this division is very rich. And here some falls are there. Gokak Falls, Magadu waterfalls and Devamala waterfalls are there in this division. Gokak Falls, beautiful Gokak Falls is there. Magadu waterfalls, Devamala waterfalls are there. Apsarakonda waterfalls are the scenic spots in this division. This division has good tourist opportunities. Ansik National Park is there. This Ansik National Park is located on the bank of the river Kali River. Yes, and the Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary is there. Attiveri Bird Sanctuary is another beautiful place. And important, the iron ore is mineral. The iron ore is deposited, available in the Bagalkot district, iron ore. And another new material available in this division, it is limestone. Here in this division, the limestone is available. And Ilkal has, very important, the Ilkal has a huge stone deposits, that is the granite. Granite, big stone deposits are there. Granite stone deposits are there in Ilkal of this Belagavi division, and these granites will export to the other countries. Very important, granite will export to from this division. So in forest and wildlife, next one, forest and wildlife, the dense forest is there. The Belagavi, Uttara Kannada and Dharwad districts of this division have the dense forest. In Uttara Kannada, Belagavi some places and Dharwad also have the dense forest of this division. And evergreen forest are here. It's important. Evergreen forest. Dense forest is different. Evergreen forest is different. Why the evergreen forest? It is called as evergreen forest. So evergreen forest, these forests, some forests are found in tropical climate and remain green green throughout the year. Throughout the year, these forests are green. Throughout the year, they will remain green. That's why these forests are called as evergreen forest. Remember, the question arises, what is the meaning of evergreen forest? That means these forests will remain whole year, throughout the year it remains the green. That's why these forests are called as evergreen forests. Children, here the forest forms the 80% of Uttara Kannada district. In Uttara Kannada, the dense forest is more, 80% is there. Here the elephant, bison, deer, tiger, leopard, bear, wildcat and other wild animals are available in this division. And very important, coming to the forest, from that forest the rosewood, sandalwood, matti, nandi, teak and other valuable trees are found in this division. The matti, teak and sandalwood, rosewood woods are available in this division. So the valuable trees are also available. The minor forest produce the livelihood of the tribal communities of this division. In Uttara Kannada, the tribal communities are available. They are living in these some minor forests. So in here, that's why this division, Belgaum division, has the rich in natural resources. So agriculture and industries. This division has the black and red soil. Black and red soil. This division has the black and red soil. Here the paddy, cotton, maize, pulse, wheat, groundnuts, pearl millet, chili are the major crops of the division. In this division, I think you might have known the important crops. Here the paddy, cotton, maize, pulses, wheat, groundnuts, pear millet and sugar. Here the sugar. So the chili are some major crops of this division. And sugar canes also, they are growing the major crops of some districts in Bagalkot and Bijapur. They are growing the more in sugar cane producing area. And Jaggery of Malimpur, Jaggery. That's why the sugar factories are more in this division. Mandya is also more, and Mandya also has the more division, more sugar factories. But in this division has the more sugar factories because here the sugar canes are growing more. The irrigation is this of this division. So the Jaggery of Malimpur is very famous and dried chili of Yadgi. Here the Malimpur Jaggery is famous and dried chili is from the Yadgi. These are the very important crops, and cashew nuts are the major products of this division. Cashew nuts, dry chili and Malimpur Jaggery are the famous products, and the Malaprabha irrigation project and Upper Krishna irrigation project are the major irrigation projects. Kali, Varada and Saravati, Doni, Bhima are the major rivers of this division. So across the Krishna river, the Armati Dam is constructed. So fishing is the major occupation of Uttara Kannada district. Very important. The fishing is the major occupation in Uttara Kannada district. So these are the many fish processing units in the Uttara Kannada. Cashew nuts is the major agriculture product of the, and these are the many cashew nut processing units in the Uttara Kannada. Fishing and cashew nuts are available more in that Uttara Kannada. Kaiga, Kadra, Supa, Kodasali and Nagajali are the centers of power generation. Some power generations are available in that areas Uttara Kannada. The Kaiga, Kadra, Supa, Kodasali and Nagajali are the important power stations. The power generation stations are available in the Uttara Kannada. And Vijaypura and Bagalkot districts are known for the horticulture crops. Vijaypura and Bagalkot are the famous for the horticulture crops. Grapes are grown more in this district, Vijaypura district, Vijaypura and Bagalkot. The grapes are more available. Many grapes processing units are here. Pomegranate, orange, sapota, mosambi and other fruits are grown here. Grapes, pomegranate, orange and sapota are more available. More products from the Bagalkot and Vijaypur district. And it has national seed production centers. The national seed production centers is there. And the Haveri is the center of improved seed production. Important. Like the Haveri district is the center of improvised seed production. The Haveri is famous for the improved seed production. And the Gudaguda is known for as blouse piece. The Gudaguda blouse piece are very famous. Hubbali, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Gadag and Haveri are the emerging as the major industry centers. You know the Hubbali is a major industry centers. Belagavi, Hubbali, Bagalkot, Gadag and Haveri also districts also becoming the major industry centers of this division. Many granite processing units are there in Ilkal. The granite processing units are available, more available in Ilkal. And coming to the art, literature, music, folklore dance, theatre and dance of this division also very rich. So Bharata Ratna winners are available in this division. Very proud about these Bharata Ratna award winners. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Bharata Ratna award winner, and Pandit Mallikarjun Mansoor, and Balay Khan Sitaram, Vidushi Gangubai Hangal, nearby our school Gangubai Hangal, one institute is there. And Pandit Venkatesh Kumar and Pandit Basavaraj Rajaguru and others are from this division. We are proud about these Bharata Ratna winners. Hindustani singers, popular Hindustani singers are here. And many poets who came composed the poem in Kannada during the medieval period from this division. Some are the Ranna. These are the poets, important poets. Ranna, Nagachandra, Nayanasena, Kumaravyasa, Chamarasa, Basavanna, Kanakadasa and Shinala Sharipa. These were the important poets. The father of Bhojana studies P.J. Halakatti, Rev Kittal, Bustur Mutt, Vijay Gokak, and one more Jnanapith award is Dr. D.R. Bendre, Chandrasekhar Kambar, Jnanapith award is, remember, Dara Bendre, first one Dara Bendre, V.K. Gokak, and Girish Karnar, and Dinkar Desai, and Basavaraj Kattimani, and one more M.M. Kalburgi are these Dhanapita Award winners. And Aryanakacharya are from this division. These writers have enriched the modern literature. They wrote the modern literature. The folklore singer Hukkeri Balappa, famous Hukkeri Balappa singer, folklore singer Hukkeri Balappa, Nado's Sukri Bommaragowda and others have earned the laurels of this achievement. Sri Krishna Parijata, Badagatittu, Yakshagana, Sannata, Dotata and the other theatres forms have evolved here. Sannata, Dotata, Sri Krishna Parijata, these were the famous theatres, dances, and Appalal, Jamakandi, Kausalgi, Ningamma, Lokapur, Deshpande and others have the showed in acting. These were the actors, famous actors. Appalal Jamakandi, Kausalgi, Ningamma, Lokapur, Deshpande and others have the shown in acting. So, I will conclude this lesson. Next more from the education and health. Children, see the video and send the question answers and send it back to the social group. Thank you.